you guys, and welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Charisse, and today it is hot tamales. Well, it's been hot tamales. So we're gonna make a nice, cool, yummy treat to cool you off. Vegan Chunky Monkey Fudgesicles. So this is definitely a shout out to my mom because she loves Fudgesicles. It's like her jam, and she loves bananas and she loves peanut butter. So I hope she's gonna love the shit out of this. So I also want to give a huge, super huge shout out. I already did in my last video, but I wanted to do it again because it seriously means so much to me. Thank you so incredibly much, Jahara and Maddie and Verna, for donating to this channel so that this recipe could be possible. If you want to help support this channel, you can donate to via PayPal, midnightmunchiesandmore@yahoo.com. That information will be below. Also, secret recipes from a vegan bakery. My e-cookbook is on Etsy. That will be linked below. Any way you want to help support me, girl, please. Because I have so many recipes. I have like this huge whiteboard in my office, just like full of recipes I want to make. So your every dollar counts. Like every single $1 is huge for me. So thank you so much. And let's jump into it. Okie dokie artichoke, we're gonna start with some homemade nut milk using Ellie's Best nut milk bag. Use code Midnight Munchies and more for 10% off. So I'm actually gonna show you how I made this. It is super cheap, way cheaper than buying it at the store, okay? So let's roll that clip.
Get a peek, show me where to go for me to stick a back, no doubt that I dig. She laid me to rest with the white slip skirt, flirting with an angel that was caught in the surf. The birth of my heart started with the touch and the surf. I dive at first on my earth, submersed in the love divers. Oh, goodnight kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love, listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Hey,
and then to this, we're going to add half a cup of cocoa powder, a quarter of a cup of maple syrup, a quarter of a cup of natural peanut butter. So the healthy fats from this, so okay, first of all, the peanut butter is gonna flavor it deliciously, but also the healthy fats are really gonna help thicken up. So good. Help thicken up that oat milk and make it nice and creamy. And then I have one whole banana, again for flavor, but also for nice and creamy thickness. So we're just gonna blitz her right up. Make sure you lick your spoon. And then we're gonna start filling up our little popsicles. So I actually got this on Amazon, not sponsored. Ellie's Best is an affiliate code. I wanna make sure I make that clear, but it is the best nut milk bag ever. So this is not sponsored, got this on Amazon. If I don't remember to put the link in the description and you're interested, just comment for it and I'll find the link and I'll send it over. So I thought this was really cool because it comes with like a little funnel that like pops right out. Oh, yes. So it's easier to fill each one. So now we're just gonna take our mixture and we're just gonna fill each one of these guys right up. And of course, still make a mess in the entire process because who would I be if I didn't? And then we're gonna pop these on and put these into the freezer until they get nice and hard. That's what she said. Now we have to actually get these out of here. So I've got this large cup, Raven's Heart, of super hot water, and I'm gonna take one out, and I'm just gonna dip her in there, pull her back out, and that should, voila. Okay, so we're gonna do that for all of these. We're just gonna take this, dip it in, 1, 2, 3, lift her out, and you can kind of see where it starts pulling away, and then you just use a little bit of your strength and warmth from your hand and pop her right on out. Okay, so this next part is optional, but like I just wanted to make them fancy, so I had some extra vegan dark chocolate, and I'm just gonna drizzle each one like so. And then to keep on par with the theme of Chunky Monkey, I'm just gonna put a couple walnuts on top and just keep on going, and then pop them back in the freezer right away, obviously. You guys, look. Oh my God. Okay, I can't, of course I gotta take the pink one, right? Oh my God. Oh my God. Can you see that? Creaminess, iciness. Girl. Okay. That extra crunch of the chocolate and the walnuts. Oh no. I'm eating these all summer. which, I mean, it's better for you than ice cream. I'll tell you that right now. Better for you than dairy products. Better for you than the vegan stuff you get at the store. Super cheap, way cheaper than the stuff you get at the store. This probably cost me like $1.50 tops. And I made all 6 of those Fudgesicles, but also I saved the rest in like just like a little, like, you know, Tupperware. And I've been scooping that into my cold brew instead of ice cubes so that it doesn't water it down and it keeps it cold and extra flavor. Oh my god. The full written recipe, as per usual, will be linked below. MidnightMunchiesandmore.com. Make sure you guys smash that thumbs up button, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know how you like this recipe, how you like my shirt. Oh my god. Okay. I'll catch you next time.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love, listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.